Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Junot from the Data Lab at NSF Smart Lab, and I'm going to talk a little bit about an animated data visualization for astronomy. And I want to show an example where we're looking through how the gas is moving inside of a galaxy, and in particular around a black hole. So this is also known as my favorite notebook. Okay, so just to give you a quick background, we're looking at this galaxy here on the right-hand side, and the square shows the region for which we have what we call a spectral data cube. So a spectral data cube, instead of just being an image, at each point of the image is called a spexel because we have a spectrum. So we can slice and dice this cube, so we can either look at images at different colors, or we could, at different location, look at the spectra. So what I'm going to do in particular is there are certain wavelengths or colors that correspond to very hot gas, and the gas can be ionized either by stars or by a black hole. And I'll show you what that does differently. So to examine this, this is a notebook that I wrote that uses matplotlib animation in order to call a function, and the function is very simple. It would just make a slice in the cube around certain colors, and it will step through. So we'll step from shorter wavelength to longer wavelength. And what happens is the light from this hot gas will shift blue or red depending on the motion. So by going through the cube, we can see, this is the first one here is showing the gas is ionized by stars. So we can see that this gas is rotating in the galaxy like the stars are doing. And in the other part, similar function, but looking at a different range in the cube, this time we're looking at gas ionized by the black hole. So the motion is different. We can actually see that it's basically blown away. This is cone shape in the metal. And then if it's blowing toward us, it's bluer, and then away from us is redder. So that's how I wanted to show just a very quick glimpse at one of my favorite notebooks. And this is an animated view of a 3D data cube. I also gave a talk in the science track, so you can take a look later or find me on Twitter. Thanks.